people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on another video. In today's video we're doing a glutes and thighs workout, so really focusing on building muscle. We're going to be using a resistance band that is pretty thick. If you want to get your hands on one of these, then just check out the link in the description box of this video. I'm going to be doing the workout along with you. You can follow along. All you need is a band and we're going to build some muscle, okay? Give this video a big thumbs up if you want more like it. Make sure that you leave me a comment letting me know how you found it, and I will make sure to keep the videos and the workouts coming. Okay, without further ado, we're going to start. We're going to start just by warming up, okay? So just jogging on the spot. Nice and easy. I already know it's going to get very warm in here, and I haven't tied my hair back, which I regret already. But yeah, just jogging on the spot. Nice and easy. And then we're going to do some up and out. So lifting the knee up in front, pushing it out and around to the side, alternating legs as we go, just stretching out the hips. Nice and high, out to the side. Try and keep the trunk facing forward. Just isolate the movement in the legs. Up, out to the side. Up, out to the side. Amazing, well done. Then we're going to do some leg swings. So hold on to something for balance. Just going to swing the leg in front and behind. So making sure you're not overarching your back like this, but keeping a nice steady core. And onto the other leg. Getting that leg up nice and high in front and back behind. Amazing. Then we're just going to stretch out the hips. So tutty down, like so, and hold on to your feet if you can. Just going to sit in this position as we move around. Just feel the stretch in the hips. Straighten the knees a bit to get the stretch in the hamstrings. Shuffling side to side. Whatever your body is saying to you right now, wherever's feeling a little bit tight. Then we're going to come down onto our front. We're just going to push the hips back towards the feet. We stretch them out. The knees nice and wide apart. Pushing the bottom back towards the feet. Kind of tilt from side to side again. And then coming forward, we're then just going to press the hips towards the floor, keeping the feet on the ground. So just feeling the stretch in the inner thighs there. Amazing. And we're ready to start. So, first exercise we're going to do, we're going to step inside the band. Hopefully I'm not going to trip over this. We're going to step inside the band and we're going to start off by doing some squats, okay? So we're going to try and do them full depth. We're going to do them very slowly. So feet about hip width apart. We're going to sit back, all the way down, as the old saying goes, ass to grass, can you see? All the way down and back up, squeezing the glutes intentionally as we go, core nice and tight. So I'm going to show you that again from the side. So core nice and tight. My back isn't arched like this, it's contracted. We're going to sit back, all the way down, and you might be limited a bit by your flexibility, that's okay, and coming back up. Now what the resistance band is going to make you do is push out with the thighs, okay? So I really don't want your knees to be falling inwards. You really have to squeeze the glutes, squeeze the thighs in order to get them out, okay? So we're going to do 10 more of those. Ready? And go. All the way down and back up, intentionally squeezing the glutes, bringing the hips through, making sure that the knees don't fall in, trying to get a full range of motion, keeping balance, breathing through it, chest nice and high, Weight through the heels so that you can wiggle your toes. I don't want your weight falling forward. The first thing that moves when you go down should be your hips sitting back, as though there's a chair behind you. And then squeezing the glutes as we come back in. I've totally lost count. We'll call that 9. And 10, well done. Okay, next we're gonna move on to some side walk squats, okay? So we're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go back and forth each way, but I'm gonna try and stay in the camera view. You could just keep going, 10 to one side, 10 back towards the other way, okay? Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Staying nice and low. Chest up. 4, 5. Weight through the heels. 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. Then we're going to go straight back into the full depth squats. 10 of those. 1, up. 2, all the way down. Squeeze at the top. 3, 4, 5. Pushing the knees up. 6, 7, 8, 9. Doing really well, well done. 10. Well done. We're going to do the squat walks again. So sitting back, weight through the heels, 10 towards each side. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. We're going to finish off with 10 more squats, okay? Finish off this bit of the workout. 10 more squats. Ready and go. Sitting back. By the way, when I get breathless, some people tend to think I'm having an asthma attack. I'm not. I'm okay. This is just how I breathe when I'm tired and sweaty, and that's good. We're here to work hard, not to chill and be entertained. We've lost count. 4, 5. Sitting back. 6, all the way down. 7, just sitting up. 9, 8, 9, and 10. And back up, well done, okay. Grab a drink if you need to. We're gonna come down onto the floor, onto all fours, and we're gonna do some donkey kicks, okay? So, tabletop position, we're gonna bring the leg up and back to really work the glutes and the hamstrings. Ready? And go. We're gonna go for 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm going to switch on to the other side. So really bringing the leg all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then we're going to bring the leg out to the side. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I know it burns, 8, 9, 10, and the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, squeeze at the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well done. Oh, I can feel that burn. Can you feel that? Right, then we're going to come onto our back. I'm sweating. It is so hot, you guys. My flat is like a little greenhouse. I do not get away with closing the window for even 1 second because it's just too windy and noisy. So I can't keep it open. But anyway, enough about my life story. On your back, what we're going to do is keep the feet together, band up top by the knees, and we're going to open up the knees, squeeze the glutes and lift the hips up, and lower back down, close the knees. Does that make sense? We're going to go for 10 reps. So open, lift, squeeze, and down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, accidentally did 11. And then to finish off today's little muscle building workout, we're going to open out the knees and we're just going to pulse at the top for a count of 15. Are you ready? You have to really squeeze the abductors here, squeezing the glutes to keep nice and high. You ready? Open the knees, lift it up, and pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, core nice and tight, 10, 11, 12, staying up nice and high, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and hold it up there, and release. Whew. Well done. You can throw away the band because we're done, but feel free to repeat that workout. I recommend doing between 2 and 4 sets, depending on where you're at. We're all at different points. We're just going to stretch out, which you can do between sets as well. Just lift one leg over the other. Oh, hug it towards your body as you feel that stretch through the thigh and the glutes. That feels good. Oh my goodness, I'm sweating, dripping. Oh, my neck. So hug the knee to the chest. And then the leg. Oh. How did you find that, by the way? Let me know in the comments, because then I can adjust the intensity. To be honest, depending on what band you're using, it will be more or less intense. I'm just going to bring the knee towards the chest like this, depending on what band you're using. If you have a long band, remember you can always double it up to increase the tension, which is what I do when I'm using my longer exercise band. But to be honest, I've taken this whole period as a time to kind of stock up on my home workout equipment. So yeah, these bands I would really recommend them. They're quite affordable and pretty good, so I shall link them in the box. Oh, stretching it out, and we're done. Literally, look how sweaty I am. Are you having a laugh? Literally, look how sweaty I am. Are you having a laugh? Oh my gosh. And that is it for today's workout. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you've enjoyed that. Please share this video, this channel with a friend if you love it. Leave me a comment, join me on Instagram, check out my website. I am very hot. I want to open that window, so I'm going to say goodbye. I will see you guys in my next workout. Thank you so much for watching. Love you so much. Bye. Oh.